Initial beautification activity: concrete gutter cleaning and tree branch trimming. Improve safety, visibility, and overall cleanliness along the office perimeter sidewalks by removing debris from concrete gutters and trimming overgrown tree branches. Scope of work: gutter cleaning, remove leaves, mud, and accumulated waste. Scrub and rinse concrete surfaces for improved drainage and appearance. Tree trimming: cut back low-hanging or obstructive branches. Clear walkways and signage areas. Promote healthier tree growth and better light exposure. Gutter cleaning details, tools used: shovels, brooms, and dustpans, buckets and water hoses. Wire brushes for stubborn dirt. PP, gloves, boots, masks, steps. 1. Manual removal of solid waste and vegetation. 2. Scrubbing of gutter surfaces. 3. Rinsing and final inspection for blockages.
Welcome to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.